Hi students, today we are going to see the continuation topic of yesterday. Going to find the values of various angles of trigonometric ratios greater than 90 degrees. Understand? Now we are going to find the another value. Find the value of sec 1200 degrees. Let us check. How do we find this value? One important thing is there here. This 1200 divided by 9, assuming 9 as 90 degrees. So what will come here? 9 1 the 9, 3, 0, 9 3 is a 27, 30. So this can be written as this angle 1200 degrees can be written as sec 1200 degrees equal to sec 13 into 90 plus 30 degrees. Okay? Okay, like this. This is in the form of n into 90 plus theta. N equal to 13, odd number. This sec changes to cosec. What is the angle? 30. 13 plus some angle lies in 14th quadrant. This angle lies in 14th quadrant. 14th quadrant means dividing by 4, what will come? Remainder 2. Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sec function positive or negative? Negative. Resulting also negative. What will come here? Cosec 30, 2. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Like that. Understand? Okay. Let us go for one more question as like this. Okay? Now, here 13 plus some angle is 14th quadrant. 13 minus some angle nothing but lies in the 13th quadrant only. Okay. Now, next question. Find the value of cosec 2100 degrees. Okay? Now, solution. Let us see cosec 2100 degrees. First, 2100 degrees can be taken as dividing by 9. 9 2 is 18, 3, okay, 30, 9 3 is 27, 3 30. Means this 2100 degrees can be written as cosec, okay, 23 into 90 plus 30 degrees. Understand? This is in the form of n into 90 plus theta. N equal to 23, odd number, cosec changes to sec, angle 30 degrees. Now, 23 plus some angle. This angle lies in which quadrant? 24th quadrant. In 24th quadrant means which quadrant? Dividing by 4, remainder 0, 4th quadrant. In 4th quadrant, cosec function negative, result also negative. Sec 30 minus 2 by root 3 because cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. Understand? Okay. We are going to do one more question. Find the value of cot 480 degrees. Find the value of cot 480 degrees. We should do like this. Cot 480 can be written as cot 5 into 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. We can write like this. Now, this is in the form of n into 90 plus theta. What is n value here? 5, odd number. When it is odd, cot changes to tan. Cot changes to tan. Angle is how much? 30 degrees. 5 into 90 plus 30 lies in which quadrant? 6th quadrant. 6th quadrant means second quadrant. In second quadrant, cot function negative. Answer function negative. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Negative 1 by root 3. Understand? Now, let us go for one more question. We are going to find the value of as like this. Find the value of tan 225 degrees. Tan 225. Tan 225 equals to tan 2 into 90 plus 45 degrees. So, this is in the form of n into 90 plus theta. Understand? N value 2 or even number, tan remains tan. Angle how much? Angle how much? 45 degrees. 2 into 90 plus theta lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan function positive. This is also positive. Positive means no need to write the sign. Write as it is. Tan 45. 1. Understand? Now, going to find another value here. Okay? Find the value of sine 150 degrees. Sine 150 degrees solution. Sine 150 can be written as sine 1 into 90 plus 60 degrees. Understand? Sine 1 into 90 plus 60 degrees. This is in the form of n into 90 plus theta. N value 1 odd number, sign changes to cos, angle 60. This is lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, given sign positive, resulting cos also positive. Cos 60 1 by 2. Understand? Here n equal to 1 odd number, sign changes to cos, angle 60 lies in second quadrant, given function sign is positive, result also positive. Understand? Okay. the next question. Our next question is, we are going to find the value of, okay, we are going to find the value of tan 2 pi by 3. So what will come here? How do we do this value? Tan, this is tan 2 pi by 3. We should convert 2 pi by 3 into degrees first. Tan 2 into pi means 180 by 3. 3 6 60 into 2 120. Tan 120 degrees. 120 degrees can be written as tan 1 into 90 plus 30 degrees. Okay? This is in the form of n into 90 plus theta. N equal to 1, odd number, tan changes to cot angle 30 degrees. 1 into 90 plus 30 angle lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan function negative, result also negative, cot 30 root 3, because tan 30 1 by root 3. Understand? Now next we are going to find one more value as like this. Find the value of cosecant. (315 degrees). Do like this. Cosecant 315 can be taken as cosecant, okay, 315 can be written as 3 into 90 plus 45 degrees. 270 plus 45, 315 degrees. Understand? This is in the form of n into 90 plus theta. Understand? 315 degrees can be written as 3 into 90 plus 45. 3 into 90 how much? 270 plus 45. 315. So n equal 3, odd number, cosec changes to sec. Angle how much? 45. This angle lies in which quadrant? 3 plus some angle lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cosec function negative, so sec also negative. Sec 45 minus root 2, because cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Understand? Okay.